Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. Chef Paul. With me today is Chef Amy.
Hi.
I'm going to grab the phone this way because I stopped the video by accident before. Chef Amy is finally home from the hospital. She had her gallbladder taken out. She looks great, doesn't she, guys? So today we're going to do a little bit of a review on the Kuhun Rikon cast iron grilling pan. This is an awesome thing. This is from the Superstore, so every $20 you get a stamp. A little bit more if you choose to do it digitally. And then you pay $40 and you get this absolutely beautiful thing, and I'm going to show you this in a second. And we're going to be baking some carrots in this. And I know what you're saying, carrots seem a little kind of lowbrow for you, and you're right, they kind of are. But we're making a roast chicken meal tonight. We've already got the chicken done. We did that yesterday. It was a whole chicken, and here it is. It's not exactly the biggest thing in the world, but
it's good enough for us.
But it is. So what we're going to do here is we're going to grab another bowl here, if I can find one that I want to use. And if not, I can use this. I will just use this.
Might as well.
Might as well, yeah. So I got some carrots, I got them cut up like this. And Amy's going to have fun with dishes tonight. She's not actually. I'm going to be doing the dishes. Because Amy's a little, not feeling
tender.
Good. Tender. I've been doing most of the housework, so it is what it is. So we're going to dump some tagine on here. And then we're going to grab some honey. Honey is really great.
It is.
So I got my oven preheating to 400 or 425 degrees. And then let's add a few more spices in here. And this is turmeric. And then I'm going to put a little bit of nutmeg on here. Why? Because I can. I don't think anybody's going to refuse to put nutmeg on something.
No, nutmeg's good.
Nutmeg's great. And we're going to put some chipotle chili pepper spice on here. I don't know why I like this so much lately, but I do. And lastly, I'm just going to put a little bit of applewood spice. If you haven't tried this, you need to. It's really, really good. I'm going to get rid of that here. And we're going to take a thing here and we're going to mix this really well so everything's as evenly divided as you can. You don't want to use your fingers unless you want to get them really sticky.
Yeah, you don't want that.
Sticky fingers is something your wife is used to, not something we are used to. I'm joking.
You can use your hands if you use gloves, cooking gloves.
Yeah, but you don't need to.
No.
But you just want to take your time and make sure these are fully mixed up. How's
coated.
This? Yeah, you want this all coated evenly.
Looks really good.
This looks great, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now the carrots, I didn't skin these. The skins are still on, and that's perfectly fine. So now I need to find where in the world did I put my tongs. Or did I even put them away yet?
I don't think you put them away yet. There they are.
Pay attention, they're right in front of me. So I'm going to use tongs, and I'm going to start putting them on the pan. Now this is great. I mean, this looks great, and if you pay attention, it's even got this here. So you can stick this on a burner. And I'm going to say you probably want to put it right in the center, and your meat should be right in the center where the burner is. Whereas cast iron, it's going to hold the heat really well. It's going to be really, really awesome that way. And cast iron always cooks things way better than anything else will.
And it's even, isn't it?
It'll cook it evenly every single time. So I'm really, really excited for that. I know Amy is. Amy was in the hospital for an entire week.
Yep.
For actually 8 days. Didn't eat anything.
No IV fluid only.
Yep. And so kind of want to make sure that Amy's not only getting good meals right now, she's getting the best meals right now.
Which can't be very fatty.
No, we don't want really fatty. So this is going off just as we're finishing. So this is awesome. Guys, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. I like to think most of us already have carrots. If you don't have sweet potatoes, you can use potatoes. Whatever you want to do. The potatoes, I'm using sweet potato skin on. It helps with Amy's iron. And I just put a bunch of, a little bit of oil and some spices in this. And because it's cast iron, you're going to have to use a little bit of strength on this. And when you go to pick that back out of the oven, you need to make sure that you're using a glove. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. We're going to put this in the oven for a full 20 minutes, and this is going to roast this. And I'm telling you, it's going to taste great.
It is.
So we're going to be back in 20 minutes, guys. And we're back. So again, before we go any further, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. This is what making kitchen or cooking great again is all about. These are usually items that you can have available at any time. This is a product we got with stamps. We did have to pay for it, but it was like $250 without stamps or $40 with stamps. We got a good deal.
We did.
What do you think, Amy?
I can't wait to dig in.
This looks really good to me. So I'm really excited. I think this is going to be really good. Nice and tender and roasted all the way through. You can kind of see the roast marks on here. This is going to be even better when you're talking about doing things with steak, with meat, chicken, fish. Anything else, what you could do with this. You could even put shrimp on this.
Yeah.
It's not the biggest thing in the world, but it will fit on a burner. If you have a barbecue, if you have one of those gas ovens or induction stove, this is going to work really, really good. And then we see our sweet potatoes in here. Those are going to be really, really good. The only thing left is just to
heat up the chicken.
Heat up the chicken. That's it. So I'll let Amy decide what she wants to do with this. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And if you decide to get this from the Superstore, I'd honestly say this is 5 stars out of 5. This works really good. Where it's cast iron, it works beautifully.
Yeah.
And it feels great. It looks great. Super impressed. If you guys get it, let me know. If you're in Canada, highly suggested. If you don't, you can buy one at full price somewhere else. But seriously, it's good. So anyways, thanks a lot, guys. We'll talk to you later.